Welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. Today I'll show you how to export with a transparent background in After Effects. So let's get right to it. First, make sure your composition is selected. Once you've got that, head up to the top of the menu and click on File. From there, navigate to the Export and select Add to Render Queue. Now in the Render Queue panel, you'll see a setting that says Lossless. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the output settings. Under Video Output, look for the option labeled Channels and select that to RGB plus Alpha. This is what allows you to export with a transparent background. Without this, your background will be solid. Next, click on Format Options. I recommend choosing either Animation or Apple ProRes 4444. This is the one I use. Now don't forget to click on the Output To option and choose where you want to save your file. Once that's done, simply click Render and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you export your project with a transparent background in After Effects. Super quick, super easy. If this helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and if you got any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you next time.